We have a couple of free tools at SearchPilot that are designed to be run on your own data. The first is SEO Forecaster, which is designed to take page view data over time and generate a forecast with some confidence intervals on it. The second is what we call TestScout, which takes the number of unique paths in getting organic traffic in a site section along with organic sessions to those pages and calculates how many SEO tests you could conceivably run in a year or a month. Both of these, as you can see, take data in the form of traffic levels, and I'm going to just show you how to easily get that data from analytics. And the easiest way to do it is to take a copy of this Looker Studio report that I've built. It's got very small numbers in it because it's just running on a demo environment. So we're going to take a copy of this report and connect it to, in this case, I'm just going to connect it to my personal GA4 interface, and you would connect it to your data source. It will most likely load showing no data in both of these areas, and that's because there's a filter applied that is probably not working. The scalable pages filter, which may need to be set up, is just set up with a random string. At the moment, you would pick whatever scalable site section you're most interested in. So the paths for your PDPs, for example, or your PLPs. I'm running it on my personal website, so there aren't really scalable pages, so I'm just going to include everything for a second. And that will now start showing us data. You can select the date range that you're interested in. Let's pick the last 90 days, which weirdly is done like that. And then what you can do is just export this data. And I'll show it in Google Sheets, for example. And if you copy this whole table, that's in the format that Forecaster is looking for. And if you just copy the sessions data, that's in the format that TestScout wants. And then we can get the number of paths from this field here, 8 in this case, on my tiny test website. We can calculate the potential SEO tests that could be run. That's the basics of what you need to do. You just take a copy, connect it to your data source, and set up the scalable pages filter how you want it. It's already filtered to organic traffic, which you can change if you want to do different kinds of forecasts. The only other thing on large websites is to bear in mind that this data can be heavily sampled, connecting directly to the GA data source. So what you can do if you're interested in something more robust is to change the data source to use the extract data tool from Google, which is faster to work on large amounts of data, but you do have to set it up yourself and connect it to those reports. So I hope that helps. Nice and simple. Let me know how you get on with forecasting and seeing how many tests you can run.